Day
Day
7.
7 is operations. So operations is about systems and structure and delivery. So it's how we can make the agency easier to run. As agency grows, this was a big feature in our last session with our current group, Alfie, about, wasn't it, about we could generate this operational friction as the business
Yeah.
grows, and we you can't get away from that, but that happens. So for operational friction creates more problems. It creates this situation that many agency owners talk to us about often, to say, wow, I've been running this agency for X number of years now, and it gets harder every year. There are reasons why that exists and happens. So we start by identifying the sources of operational friction, where it comes from, and the root causes of that. We then look at clarifying roles and responsibilities and delegation in the business. Redesigning processes comes next. So creating more of a consistent operating system through processes, and then embedding all that and bringing all that together with a rhythm, a sort of what we call a leadership rhythm. So reliability and leadership and a rhythm, creating stability, should I say, through developing a rhythm and a consistency of how the business operates. So the outcome of this session is operational consistency. Really, it's how we can look at generating a more smoother delivery in our business, clearer ownership as it grows, more reliable and more consistent way of working in the agency, and how we adapt, should I say, to change.